this lesson, we'll learn how to add standard parts to the assembly using Standard Parts for KOMPAS, an application on the POLYNOM MDM platform, included in the KOMPAS 3D distribution. It's designed for quick search and use of reference data in KOMPAS 3D documents. First, we'll create a bolted connection for the housing and the cover. Start the Insert Element command. The Standard Parts for KOMPAS app window appears. Open DIN Standards, Fasteners, Bolts, find hexagon head bolts, select Bolt DIN 609. Adjust the bolt parameters. The thread diameter is 10, the length is 32, the thread pitch is 1.5. Click Select. Select the covered flat face and cylindrical face to place the bolt. Confirm insertion of the first bolt. Don't stop the command and add 3 more bolts to the similar holes. Stop the command. Go to the washer section. Select DIN 6796. Set the thread diameter to 10. Click Select. First, select the housing flat face and then the bolt cylindrical face. Confirm. Repeat for the other 3 bolted connections. Stop. Go to the Nuts section, Hexagon Nuts, select ISO 4032, the thread diameter is 10. Select the washer's flat face and the bolt cylindrical face. Confirm. Repeat 3 times for the other connections. Stop the command. Next, we'll create screw connections for the reducer and covers. First, we'll add 1 connection for each end cover and then apply the Array by Concentric Grid command to create connections for the other holes of all the covers. This will make the process a little faster, but you can work with each cover separately, one by one. Let's start with the lower end cover. Search for ISO 7092. Set the diameter to 8. Select the flat face of the cover and its cylindrical face. Confirm. Repeat for the cover in the opposite side. Confirm and stop the command. Change the washer diameter to 12 and insert the washer into the hole of the upper cover. Repeat for the opposite side. Don't forget that you need to select the flat face first and then the cylindrical face. Confirm and stop the command. In the search field, enter 4762. Click on the found screw. The thread diameter is 8. The length is 25. selects the washer flat face and the whole cylindrical face to place the screw. Confirm. Repeat for the cover on the opposite side. Confirm and stop the command. Change the diameter to 12. Place the screw into the hole of the upper end cover onto the washer. Confirm. Stop the command and close the Standard Parts window. Start the Array by Concentric Grid command. Let's start with the lower end cover again. Select the screw and the washer. Activate the Axis field and select the end cover cylindrical face. Change the number of instances to 6. Confirm. Repeat the same for the other 3 end covers.